Welcome to my YouTube channel, Liza Aranzado. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and enjoy watching. Graham balls with Amazing Barley. Hi, amazing day! Welcome back to my vlog again. So today ay mamimili tayo ng ating mga ingredients para sa aking gagawin na Graham balls with Amazing Barley. So yan, bumili ako ng Jersey sweetened condensed creamer, and of course ang ating Amazing Graham's Honey Graham Crackers Biscuits. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog again. So this time ay gagawa na naman tayo ng guess what? Here are the ingredients. So alam niyo na. So gagawa na naman tayo ng Graham balls. But this time ay meron tayong additional special ingredient na that one, Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder. So, alam naman natin na healthy yung ating health supplement na Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder. So, other bakeries, they add it as additional ingredient to their bread. But this time, ay i-add ko to sa aking, special Graham balls. So, ngayon, ay ito na yung mga pinamili kong ingredients. Then, tomorrow, pa tayo gagawa ng ating Graham balls with Amazing Barley. Then, syempre, i-deliver natin sa ating mga beloved customers na nag-trust sa ating produkto. So, yan lang muna sa ngayon, guys. And don't forget na mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-comment, and share mo na din sa mga kakilala mo na gusto ding mag-additional negosyo ng Graham balls or sa mga gustong mag-try sa kanilang mga bahay na homemade delicacies like this one na healthy Graham balls with Amazing Barley. Guys, sa mga gusto nga palang malaman yung health benefits ng ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder Drink Mix na I Am Worldwide ay click nyo na lang din yung yung related video regarding this one. Search nyo na lang dyan sa Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder Drink. What's in the green box. So, it's all about Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder Drink and its health benefits, the testimonies, and other related topics about it. So, yun guys, hindi ko napapahabain pa. Basta guys, you can watch the other videos regarding this one or pwede ko din i-attach na lang sa link or doon sa isa kong gagawing short vid. Makikita niyan sa related video na i-attach ko din doon. So, that would be all for now. Bye! Thank you, Lord! For day 1, as preparation, let's do the step 1. Let's crush the Amazing Graham's biscuits. So, ayan na guys ang ating kinrush na Amazing Graham's biscuits. Here's the nutrition facts of Honey Graham Crackers Amazing Graham's. It has 143 calories from fat 25 with a total fat of 3 grams. With saturated fat of 2 grams, with 0 trans fat and no cholesterol, but with sodium 141 milligrams, with a total carbohydrate of 27 grams, with dietary fiber of 1 gram, and with sugars of only 7 grams. And of course, it has a protein of 3 grams, but with no vitamin A, no vitamin C, but rich in calcium with 29.9 milligrams, and not the least, with iron content of 1.5 milligrams. So healthy talaga ng ating Amazing Graham's. crush yung ating nice and graham stuff. So, ito yung ating alaga, si Apola, mabait, nandito na naman. Hello, Apola! The nutrition fact of Jersey sweetened condensed creamer. It has 340 calories with 83 calories from fat with 9 total grams of fat with saturated fat of 3 grams but with no trans fat. So, safe tayo dahil walang trans fat din. Like the Graham's biscuits. So, it has only 6 milligrams of cholesterol but with sodium of 108 milligrams. With a total carbohydrates of 69 grams with dietary fiber of 8 grams. O maganda guys dahil meron siyang dietary fiber. But with sugar of 52 grams. And with protein of 2 grams. O diba? Healthy din ang ating piniling condensed creamer na Jersey. Ito naman din talaga guys yung binibili ko palagi kapag nag-graham balls ako. So, since anong oras na din guys at gabi na, tara na, ako ay nagugutom na. Dinner muna tayo. At ang ulam ko ngayon ay Lucky beef na spicy with malunggay. So, healthy ang ating dinner ngayon na Lucky with malunggay and egg. Yan. Nagutom na si ate nyo sa pag-crush ng Graham biscuits. So, tara guys, let's have dinner together with my alagang mga cats and kittens na ngayon ay nagdi-dinner na din sila ng cat food nila. Yan. O, diba? Dinner na din sila. Nag-dinner na din kasi nagutom na din sila. Kasi anong oras na nga naman. Ang apat naman na to na Persian kittens ay tulog na tulog sila. So, that would be all for tonight, guys. Let's continue tomorrow. Bye! For day 2, let's do the step 2. Remove the crushed Graham's biscuits from its packaging and crush it even better. And do the same process again for the remaining Graham's biscuits. Ayan guys, madami yung ating magagawa ngayon. Kasi marami akong pa-order. Step 3. Be reminded to set aside at least 1 pack of crushed Grahams for your coating. Step 4. Cover your hands with plastic gloves, wood gloves, or plastic before starting making Graham balls for our food safety precautionary measure. Step 5. Add first the dissolved Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder drink with other special ingredients into a basin of crushed Grahams and mix it. Take note, use only lukewarm or cold water. Step 6. Add Jersey sweetened condensed creamer one at a time into our Graham mixture. Here, I added 4 cans of Jersey into my mixture because I used more packs of crushed Grahams. Step 7. Mix well the Graham mixture until all the additional ingredients combine. Step 8. Form the well-combined Graham mixtures into Graham balls. Coat it with crushed Grahams and place it in a clean, microwavable Tupperwares or other packaging materials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pang 5 na guys. Pang 5. Nakakalawa natin yung guys. Pero huwag yan pa tayo dito guys. Dapat more than 10 minutes tayo kasi magawa natin guys. So yun guys. Ayan, 10 packs wala natin ngayon gagawin. Naway mag 10 packs tayo guys. Or more than 10 packs or 12, 30. Step 9. Deliver my newly made healthy graham balls with amazing barley to my respective customers. This one. Hi! Yan na po yung ating buyer po ng ng ating graham balls. Ang sukli pa po. Ayan na guys. Another set na naman. Ang na to guys. Maset. Yung kanina, nabawasan na yung 5 set natin kasi kinuha na ng isang customer ko yung order nilang graham balls na isang pack. Buti na lang din nag-full page din. Thank you Lord. Para kung magkulang man, meron akong i-additional mamaya pang bili. Na-complete na naman ang ating second set ng 5 microwave na Tupperware. So, 5 packs, another 5 packs na naman ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. My lunchtime oatmeal with graham balls and with amazing barley. Graham balls with amazing barley. Oatmeal. Sarap ka. Tama lang yung tamis niya. Tapos yung guys, nalagay ko dito sa ating oatmeal. Sarap talaga guys. Para ka na kumain ng chocolate. Na healthy din. Sa pag-order po mamalis sa pag-order ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Salamat po ulit. Para ma'am, nag-video ka. Maraming salamat po ulit ma'am. Sige ma'am, santo na po. Ma'am sa pag-order mo ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Salamat ulit. Po Kuya Ben sa pag-order ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Order ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Sige bro, salamat. Tila sa pag-order mo ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Salamat. Dayan sa pag-order po ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Salamat. Yung junakis niya na cute din. Sige. Sa pag-order ng ating graham balls with amazing barley. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Masarap ate din?
Sobra.
Salamat po. So, healthy po yung ating graham balls kasi meron niyang amazing barley. Pure organic barley na halos. Sige ate din, maraming salamat ulit. So, gawa na naman tayong additional. Bumili ako ngayon ng additional na 1 pack 1 honey graham crackers, may isang grahams. Tapos meron pa naman tayo dito sobra. So, may dadagdag tayo kasi may additional order pa. So, tara guys, simulan na. So, yan na guys. Yan ang ating